Okay, welcome to this quick little video, hopefully quick, on how to install AutoDesk products on your computer for free as a student. So we'll go to the internet and we'll search for AutoCAD student, and right near the top we should have AutoDesk, which is the parent company of AutoCAD. So Revit and other programs as well. Go to their website. Wait for it to sort of finish loading. Choose the product that you want to use. See, there's Mac versions for AutoCAD. I'm going to choose Revit for this option. So we'll click on Get Started, but it could be AutoCAD, whichever one you want. So your educational role as a student, want your details. That's not right. What am I doing? Got to scroll way back for my one. So if you've previously done this before, as in you're renewing it, then you could sign in with an existing account. So here's where you want to use your student address, because I think if we use the student address, we will avoid having to further confirm we are a student. If you want to use another address, then yeah, you might have to provide extra proof that you are a student. I'm just using the email address I use for the password I use for everything else. Okay, so we've created an account. That's good. So then we come back to the website here. Now it's still saying get started, so we need to verify our account. We want to go to our student email. Hopefully it's there already. Okay, so we should have an email there. So we're going to, if clicking, I'll click verify email. Account's verified. Very good. So now when we come back here, it's still saying get started. Right, so maybe we need to come in here and log in. All right, we're signed in. As you can tell, this is not something that I do a lot of. Let's just try the get started again. It should show get product by this point, but let's just try get started again. It already knows who I am. Student. Oh, okay, yeah, so it wants some more information now. So the institution type, post-secondary, Otago Polytech. Ooh. It's not coming up straight away, but I think that should be all right. Go through this again. So your enrolment date of when you're starting your course. I think for this year. And so I think you should be able to probably put in, if you're here for 2 years, try putting that in. So it won't necessarily be the 24th next year, but we'll just pick something around about there. Right, so this is where there's this identity services. So we'll just try confirm. Okay. Oh, that's probably why I missed that box, which is maybe why it wasn't finding Otago Polytech. There we go. Right. Sorry, missed that step. Put in the country and then it'll find your institute. Okay, so we confirmed we want to get some AutoDesk software. Right, here we go. So now we've got get product. That's the bit I was looking for. Now, sometimes with some students in one of those processes, you might get to a screen where it's telling you that it's activating your, so it'll just be a big white screen. It's saying that it's activating the product. It spins for ages. You can generally shut that window down and come back in here and it will have the get product option. So if you do find as part of the verification process that you're stuck on an empty window that just has account verification and the little coloured wheel spinning around, just close that window, come straight back to here, and you should find that get product is an option. No, I don't want to participate in the thingy. Windows 2023 English, install. Okay, now I'm not going to install it because I don't need to, but you should be able to now just hit accept and go through that install process. And you could have read it. You could go back then and install AutoCAD as well. Any of these other products that you need for the course that you're doing. Okay, thanks for watching. Hopefully that helps you get your AutoDesk product installed.